we are going to learn MSWA, particularly the topic of how to embed the group photos and share the link. That's the whole discussion we're going to do it. And there are five subgroups we have. Topic number one, bit of sway. I will be talking about it. And then I'm inspired with the format which is given directly in the MSWA that we are going to explore it. The same, we are going to replicate it using our sample. And fourth, how to share the link. And the best part is that the end user need not to have any account, MSWay account. Without it, they will be able to view it and any large amount of files, multiple files, and 20 photos, we can share it together easily, freely. We can do it, right? And we're going to learn that. And then if you still have more and more videos and photos and all that, you can group them into different stocks and different groups, and you'll be able to share them. Okay, let's go back to the first topic. MSWay, as you know, that MSWay is all about online presentations. Whenever you have anything, any presentation instead of PPT, PowerPoint presentation, if you wanted to have in the MSWay, you will be able to share it. It's a online and it works in a browser, and you will be able to send it. And then this is the format. I have created multiple sways using my personal account. And you will be able to see that there is, if you wanted to start from the template, there are a lot of templates are available in which you will be able to do it, right? For example, status update or announcement or newsletter, anything, or blog or presentations or anything, right? So this you will be able to do it. And similarly, get inspired by a feature sway. This is what I'm going to pick up this template, how to sway the universe and all that. And here you have, so Northwest Aquarium annual report, right? So in this, if you have a click it, I'll keep this link in the description so that you can also get a practice. And you'll find that almost similar thing, we can also do it. uh, you can see here, particularly on the photos, how it is being categorized, right? So, for example, this is the one, and you'll be, this is in MSWay is called stock photos, right? When you click it, it will go back and form another one. Click it, and then it keep falling in, right? Up to 20 at one stretch you will be able to do, right? So you will be able to see, it gives an amazing one. Even in mobile, you will be able to see it, right? So, and upon clicking it, it appears as a one, but upon clicking it, you will find different things, right? This is a great one, right? Similarly, we are going to create this one, right? All we are going to do is that we have already created this in the short video about snow kingdom. Similarly, we're going to, I will quickly demonstrate how to create, embed the stock photos, right? For example, let's say I will go to sway and create this one. In this way, what I will do, I will just give snow kingdom. Maybe just to indicate it, I'll give like practice, or YouTube, I'll give example for YouTube video, okay? And I will emphasize this one. That means it will make, you will be able to make it bold, right? Even if you want this background and all that, you will be able to do it. I'm fine with this now. And then bit of detail like which location and all that, right? For example, I will just copy and paste here. We'll go and text here and add this content there. And similarly, what activity we can perform, right? So that also I'm gonna keep it one more text, I'm gonna add it. Okay, this is all basic thing, right? So now very importantly, what we are gonna learn, that I have 20 photos which I need to 25 photos, I need to have them as an card, right? How to do it? Just hover the screen, hover the cursor here, and you will find the plus mark, and then you have a stock. Image and stock, the difference is that image, one by one you have to do, right? And a stock mean multiple photos you can do, multiple images you can do, multiple text you can do, and all that, right? Insert stack group, something, any activity which you can do it in group, you will find in the stack. Just have a click on. So you see add content, right? So group type, right? Group type we can do it later, and I will keep it in the middle, right? So it looks like slightly bigger, right? And then if you, even if you want a bigger, you'll be able to do it, right? So okay, anyway, so go to content, and you have text, image, and upload. But what we need is that we don't have multiple uploads and all that. We have images, right? that images, I'm going to take it. So all you have to do is that, so default it gives from the Bing, powered by Bing, YouTube or Wikipedia, and it gives this one. But what I need is that I don't need the location, because I have given that title called Snow, Snow Kingdom one. So it has given that, but I have original photos. We can go to stat. What I will do, I will just click here. This is the photos I have. I'll just take them and go to suggested my device. In the my device, I will keep it here. Okay, now what I will do, all the 40s, 46 and up to maybe 54, I'll keep it as one, right? First six photos, I'll keep them into one stock, right? Okay. And before that, I can also, okay, let it get downloaded. It will take few seconds because all these photos are DSLR photos. It has every photos is greater than 2 MB. So it will take some time. Once it is been done, and all we can do is that we can change the setting also as well. Let the photos get downloaded. There are 6 photos we have. And before that, meanwhile, what we will do, we can add this asset. So what we can do, we can add. Okay, the photos are getting downloaded. That's a great thing. And we can go to stock. And here you have group type, right? So all the photo, I mean, 2 photos, 3 photos, 4 photos being downloaded. We are waiting for 2 more photos to populate. And fifth photo is being populated, and the sixth photo is also gonna get populated, right? So you have a choice, right? So this will give many like a subtle difference, and this will medium. This is in large one, right? This is I'm okay, and this is already group, because since we have taken a stack mean group, it is already done. Group type, this is very interesting, right? So you will be able to do like this, or the my favorite, the one which we got inspired is this format, right? Stack format. You can also have automatic format is the one where 6 photos it will give in one 6 slot, but stack is one which is very, very nice, right? So I have done it. So the next one, maybe what is missing now is that I will just keep it here. I'll give a name called maybe part one. There are 6 photos I have taken, right? Example. Or if you don't want to do it, you can just remove it. So part one. So part one, I know I need, because this part one is related to this. So I'm going to combine this one, right? So this is done. And now you see quickly, I will just demonstrate to you how it will come. And then what I can do, you can just click here again and then go to start. In the stack, first thing what we're going to do is that we're going to pick up the images, go to suggested my device. In the my device, so we're going to take 6 more photos now, right? So 4, 5, 6, right? Click them, and now all the other 6 photos been ready now, right? So it will take few seconds. And if you, because I'm not gonna take all the photo from here because this may be subject to copyright. I'll take my own images and use it, so it will be better. So meanwhile, what I will also will do, meanwhile, I will also will pull up the next set of videos also as well. That is part 3, right? So no, not as an image, sorry. I'm gonna add this as an image. So gonna go here, my devices, and this 12 is already been done. The remaining, I'm going to take it all this one. Remaining all the photos, I'm going to take them, right? So just click here. You will find remaining 13. So you see 13, 6 plus 6, 25 photos now we have, right? So now the beauty about this one is, let's say, let's it get downloaded. So I'm going to give insert here, and default, it has come to default one. All right. So default is a stack. This is great. And this is also, we have changed into stack. This is also great. And but one thing what I will do is that I will just click here. Okay. And now the last and final one, which I will be doing it is that maybe I'll just add the headings kind of things. Thank you for creating an amazing memories example, right? So now you see this is what I have done. No, again, you can, if you want, you can just do that. If you want to give a link, you can give all that. You will be able to do it. Okay. So all this has been done. Once it has been done, still the photos are getting downloaded. That's okay. You can go to design. Okay. Design, it gives this is the first format it has given, right? But we need in different format, right? Go to style, and so you can ask in the remix type, right? So you can do remix. This is one format of remix, right? You can see here this all this part one, part two, and all that it has given, and then you have another type. Okay, this looks good, right? So maybe I can have vertically. Okay, and I will go back and add something called part two and part three. Okay, so part one we have already done, and now what I will do, I will just create another one called part two. Okay, this one I'm gonna keep it here. And similarly, I'm going to have another one. I'll give a name called, this is part three, probably. Yeah, this is part three. Part two, I will keep it here, right? So I can just create this one as a part two. Now you see this also I'm dragging it here so that this becomes part of this one. Okay. So go to design. Now you see this amazing one. I'm okay. If you still wanted to change the remix, you can keep doing a remix, and you have three options: vertical, horizontal, and slide format. And maybe for mobile viewing in mobile, vertical format is better, right? So still, if you want to change the format, you will be able to change. So this is no, right? So I will can keep it like a snow format. What I will do, I can just go here, create like a snow. Okay, maybe I'll just now, right now, I'll keep it this one, but still you will be able to change the format however you like. Okay, for me, this is fine. Plain and simple and it's fine. Okay, so now you have an options to share. So you see that you have a button called play, and you have a button called share, right? Let's play this one. So and it says the new video and audio uploads will be discontinued since 10th July. This one, so we will support embedded video and audio directly, right? We have already done that, so no need to worry. If you want to edit, you can edit. If you want to share, you can share. So can, yeah, you see here, so automatic the photos are keep coming, right? Yeah, this is how you can create it. So now what I will do, I will just copy this one. Let's say I wanted to share this, the link has been shared. Or if you wanted to embed in some code, like let's say I wanted to embed this one frame in some location like Canva or Publisher, and anywhere you can do it, or you will be able to do. Then let's say I just need to have, I need to invite this into people, no need to have an access to it. Anybody can view it, right? Copy this one. Let's test it as an end user. I'm just testing it. Now you see the magic. So now I'm gonna change the format, and automatically the link, I mean the link will stay same, but the content will get updated, right? So you can see here part two. Why it is coming as a small one? Because actually we can still change. Let's say I wanted to change this one. What I will do, I will edit this one and go back to a storyline. In the storyline, in the part two, what I will say, I will just click here, and the focus point, I'll make it like entire image should be visible. Okay, that I can do. And the details, because we are going to select the entire one, right? So entire one we need to select. We can select from here, right? The entire box has been selected now. You see this is the type, and now it is there in the small. Maybe I'll make it bigger. You can see that it has been made it bigger, right? So now it will come as a individual. Like this, I wanted to change something, I can still do it. So click here, and first thing we need to select all these images. I'll just click from here. All this image, the entire box has been selected, and now all I have to do is that I have to make it group one. Now you have a different style. Maybe this is the default style. But if you wanted to change it, you will be able to change it, and you will be able to group them and all that, right? So let's see. I have made the changes. What I'm doing it, I'm just refreshing this link. Okay, now you see the automatically this will get updated, right? So see, part one and part two and part three. Just click here, automatic the photo will keep rolling, right? You will be able to do that. So this is how we can update it. Let's say I'm just changing another, just design, I'm changing it, okay? I don't need this design. I'm changing the design itself, how to do it. So just go to design, and in the design, go to the top, you have a style. In the style, I'm just making it customized, or I can just ask for remix, right? Let's say this is the one, and but I need it in the, okay, this is an orange color, and still if you want to change, you will be able to change, right? So now I have changed this color. Let's come back and refresh this one. Automatically, this will get updated. Let's say I have not changed, the link doesn't get changed. Automatically, the content get changed, right? So you see the color, the format, everything is getting changed, right? I hope you find it useful. And if you need to share the link, all you have to do, remember, share, view. View mean the people will be able to see if they need to contribute anything, right? So with that, they will be able to add something, they add the storyline, everything. But for me, view is fine. I'll just give few. With that, they will be able to do it. I hope you find it useful. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful day ahead.